Hello and welcome. You're tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of January, Part 1. First General Assembly of the year. Holy Cross College conducted its first General Assembly of the year on 5th January with active participation from students and faculty members. The program was graced by Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal, who addressed the student community on the importance of maintaining positivity in daily life and encouraged students to develop a positive mindset both within and beyond the college campus. A key announcement made during the assembly was the introduction of a daily 5-minute meditation session for all students during the first period every morning. The initiative aims to promote relaxation, improve concentration, and support students' mental well-being. The principal also highlighted the college's commitment to sustainable development, urging students to adopt eco-friendly practices in their personal and academic lives. In addition, Eco Marathon, an environmental awareness initiative, was announced. Another new initiative, the Crossian Friends and Art Therapy program, was also introduced to promote emotional well-being and peer support through creative and therapeutic art activities. The assembly concluded on a positive note, leaving students motivated and aligned with the college's vision of a balanced, mindful, and sustainable academic journey. 6th and 7th of January, Medical Inspection Program. Holy Cross College, Nagercoil organized a medical inspection program for the first UG students. The program was coordinated by the Department of Physical Education in association with the Health and Hygiene Committee. A dedicated medical team comprising 6 doctors, 4 nurses, and 46 nursing students conducted a comprehensive health checkup for the students. A total of 446 students benefited from the program. The medical inspection helped students gain awareness of their physical health and highlighted the importance of adopting healthy lifestyle practices. The program served as an effective initiative in promoting health consciousness and preventive health care among students. 8th of January, Road Safety Awareness Rally. The National Service Scheme Units 76, 77, 239 and 240 of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil organized a road safety awareness rally on 8 January 2026. The rally was conducted to create awareness among the general public about traffic rules and road safety measures. The program was graced by the Special Traffic Superintendent of Police, Mr. A. Surajan, who delivered a special address emphasizing the importance of responsible road usage. The Secretary of the College, Dr. Sister Mary Hilda, flagged off the rally, marking its formal commencement. Around 400 students actively participated in the rally, spreading awareness on key aspects of road safety, such as the importance of wearing helmets, maintaining moderate speed, and strictly adhering to traffic rules. Swachh Bharat Rally. Holy Cross College, Nagercoil successfully organized a cleanliness awareness rally as part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to promote a clean, garbage-free environment. The program was graced by the presence of Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal, Ms. Anila, CGA Thuthukudi, and Dr. S. Sunita, caretaker officer, Holy Cross College. The rally was inaugurated by Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi. NCC candidates actively participated, holding placards with awareness slogans on cleanliness, hygiene, and civic responsibility. The rally effectively created awareness among the public and encouraged community participation in keeping the surroundings clean. The program concluded with great enthusiasm and discipline. The Swachh Bharat Rally stood as a meaningful initiative in fostering environmental consciousness and civic responsibility among students and the local community. 10th of January, Mega Job Fair. The District Employment and Career Guidance Center, Kanyakumari District, successfully organized a mega job fair on 10th of January 2026 at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. The well-equipped campus of Holy Cross College provided an ideal venue, ensuring the smooth conduct of registration, interviews, and related activities with the support of the institution's management, placement and career guidance cell, and NSS student volunteers. The program was inaugurated at St. Joseph's Hall with a welcome address by the principal, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, and was presided over by the District Collector of Kanyakumari, Mrs. R. Alakamina. The job fair attracted the participation of 121 leading private employers and skill training institutions, offering a diverse range of employment and training opportunities. Government agencies, including the District Employment Office, IOB RSETI, TEDCO, and the college's entrepreneurial cell, set up special stalls to promote self-employment and entrepreneurial initiatives. A total of 2,196 job seekers participated in the fair, out of which 604 candidates received on-the-spot job offers, while 318 candidates were shortlisted for further recruitment processes. The event reaffirmed Holy Cross College's commitment to youth employability and community development. 12th of January. Awareness program on PM Vidyalakshmi Education Loan Scheme. An awareness program on the PM Vidyalakshmi Education Loan Scheme was successfully conducted at Holy Cross College to educate students on educational loan facilities and promote financial literacy. The program was graced by the eminent resource persons from Indian Overseas Bank Nagercoil. The session focused on introducing the PM Vidyalakshmi Education Loan Scheme, a flagship initiative of the Government of India designed to provide transparent and easy access to education loans for higher studies. The resource persons clearly explained the objectives of the scheme, eligibility criteria, application process, benefits, and repayment options. Emphasis was laid on ensuring that financial limitations do not obstruct students' academic goals. The importance of financial literacy and responsible borrowing was also highlighted. The program concluded with a note of gratitude to Indian Overseas Bank for its continued support towards educational initiatives. The event proved to be informative and impactful, benefiting the student community. 13th of January, Pongal celebration. Holy Cross College Nagercoil celebrated Pongal on 13th of January 2026 with great enthusiasm and cultural spirit. The celebration began at 9:30 a.m. with department-wise Pongal making competition, followed by traditional games involving both students and staff. After lunch, cultural programs were presented by the departments of MSW, Zoology, Mathematics, Physics and Botany, showcasing the richness of Tamil culture. The program reflected the institution's commitment to preserving cultural heritage and promoting holistic learning beyond the classroom. The joyful participation and vibrant activities made the celebration a truly enriching experience for everyone involved. Students Forum. Holy Cross College Nagercoil organized the Student Forum program in the multipurpose hall as part of an ongoing initiative conducted for students across various departments. The program aimed to foster leadership qualities, academic engagement, and collaborative learning among students. The highlight of the program was the address by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal, who emphasized the importance of active student participation, discipline, value-based education, and holistic development. She encouraged students to involve themselves in the academic forums and institutional activities to develop leadership skills and a spirit of inquiry. The program was effectively coordinated by the deans of students and the student council, ensuring smooth conduct and active student involvement. The Student Forum initiative serves as a significant platform for empowering students and strengthening academic and leadership culture on campus. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.